Got the fenders set up. I got the first coat of base on there. I put it on a lot lighter. And then I fixed the hood and I'm repainting those. That's where I'm at. Do another coat on here. Looks like it's fisheyeing. Dang it. Sucks. Quick update. I got everything based. I had a run in there, so I let it dry. Then I sanded it out and rebased it. Now ready to clear. I got it all clear coated. This is a new day. Okay, I'm gonna start today. I don't have a lot of time, but I'm gonna start masking the car up to get ready to paint the outside. Not painting it today, but the goal is to get it ready, hopefully. So when I painted the fenders, I put a bag over it. So I'll take this off and we'll go from there. The hood and decklid are painted on the inside. I'll probably leave them flat like that for just to make sure they're good and dry. But once I get ready to paint them, I'll flip them over. Obviously, I need to mask off the underside of the hood and decklid. And then this fender, I got a bug in it. I tried to get the bug out and it left a little white mark. So I've sanded that spot. I need to sand the whole fender because I'm going to end up I'll put a little base here and then I'll re-clear the whole thing again. But that's what it looks like in the sun. Super nice. I'm really happy with the color. And honestly, the paint turned out really nice. There's some dirt in it. You guys can see the dirt nibs, but I knew there was going to be dirt in it because I'm painting it in my garage. But I will end up sanding that stuff and blocking it all out and buffing it. Got my dog out here being crazy. But the ashtray on the 68, I got rid of the padded dash, so I need to get a different ashtray. So I just ordered one on eBay. It's 67 only. There's no pull knob. There's like a little notch underneath for your finger to go. So I'm waiting. I'm going to obviously be waiting for that. So I think I might paint the bumpers and that thing. And maybe if I have a few other things that left, I can do those a separate time. Because I don't have a lot of room. And I got to figure out how I'm going to hang the two doors somewhere. I don't know. I might end up, not sure yet. Might have to make something to hang them up. But we will find out. But for now, I'm going to get the Beetle kind of situated up. Take this top cover off. Okay. What do you think, Rogie?
What do you think, buddy? You like the Beetle?
I'm going to start taking this stuff off here. bling bling. Man, that looks good. I like it's like so much brighter in the sun. This looks really deep. I think while I'm throwing everything out, I think I'll turn these over here. Gently set it down and pull the paper off here. Let's see. Yeah, good. Excellent. Okay. Back. Quick update. Got the doors hung up. I went up in my attic to try to find the studs. So I mounted this bracket there. I mounted one there too, but I decided I was gonna hang a door this way and this way, but they were too close. And so I decided to use my garage railing and hung everything. I hung this here. That door will go here. So I use that bracket I made or put up. I feel like they're far enough apart. I will move the file cabinet out of the way, and then I'll put a piece of plastic on the wall there so I don't paint the whole wall. And then that way those are kind of out of the way. I taped off all the window jambs, the door jambs, where the front trunk is. And now I ran plastic over the top. Now I'm cutting out the plastic. Finally ready. Took me probably about 2 hours this morning, masking stuff up, wiping everything down, and I wiped it down again. Found a couple hooks to hang some things. Tack ragged everything. Now I'm ready to start sealing. Got this tiny little heater, kind of help a tiny bit, maybe warm up the air, but I'm gonna turn the fans on. It's probably gonna suck all the heat out, but that's okay. We're basically ready to go here. It's 10 o'clock. See how long it takes me.
Here I was spraying the sealer.
All right, quick update. I got the sealer on. Getting ready to base. I ran it in a couple spots, so I had to let the sealer dry and then sand the sealer. I used wet sanded it. Yeah, that sucked. So that put a damper on my time. It's already noon. So, but getting ready to base. Okay, quick update. I got all the base on. I ended up doing 4 coats. Had a couple issues had to fix. I was trying to spray the inside the back of the grills and I ran it over here a little bit. So I had to wait for that. I had to sand it, and then I had to rebase it. And then there's a spider on my hood. There's a fly flying around in here, and I'm trying to get him, but I can't catch him. Keeps getting away from me. But I'm gonna start clear coating. I always say this, but it's taken me way longer than I thought. Got it clear coated. Definitely got a lot of dirt in it. You guys can see the little specks, but I am in my garage. The sides look really nice. Not very much dirt at all. I had a little run there, a little sag there. Definitely be doing some buffing. Run or sag there, it looks like. It's hard. I painted the roof and clear came down, and then I painted the side. So, I don't know, maybe I should have painted the side first, then the roof, but then it would have got, I don't know, double. Not a professional, but turned out all right. But pretty much, and another sag there. But it turned out pretty good. You can see the hood and the door.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. That would be great.